Hello. Okay, welcome. Uh, Today again we are going to discuss about some questions uh, which was asked in 2079. There was great promotion, great improvement exam we can say, and it was not regular. It was GP exam. Say in SAE. Let's see what are the questions and how to give the answers. First question, so that carries 1 marks. What is a web browser? Obviously, it's an application software and that is used to browse the web pages, websites, example, Safari, uh, Mozilla Firefox, Chrome, etc. Internet means any two services provide internet. So internet, vast number of applications or the services we are getting. Any two we can mention as so business promotion, yes, and the file sharing we can say. Next we have here what is the maximum length of field name in MS Access? Yes, and it is 64 characters, obviously. And next is which in the logical data type MS Access. So logical type, obviously, it can say yes or no. So that is yes, no. We can say. We can also say true, false. Right into one advantage of modular programming. So one advantage of modular programming is we can write the programming independently. Yes, and efficiently. C programming basic data types int and char. Yes, we can add that. Technical terms networks obviously it is internet. Yes, and computer program that protects computer from the computer virus that is antivirus. Yes, softwares. Full form POP post office protocol we can say that. And next is IoT Internet of Things. So now it's the second group that is group B, and here we have to give the answers little bit in long form. Let's see what is computer network, listening to importance of it. So network simply say that connect the computers using wire with hardware so that we can share the informations. Listening to importances. So first importance is there. We can share the file from anywhere to anywhere. And next is there. uh, we can run the system uh, in the form of centralized or the distributed. What is computer ethics? Write down any two ethics of it. Computer ethics, they are the moral principles used by the user, followed by the users while using the computer. What are the two ethics? Don't use the computer to harm other people. And next is there, don't disturb around the file or the computer. Yes, so that is the next ethic we have to follow. Next is what is computer security? Write into hardware security measures. Computer security means securing the computers, yes, and its files from the unknown users, invaders, etc. So that about the heavy content it becomes inception. Write any two hardware security measures. When you talk about the any two hardware security measures, and the first is there, um, use the power protection device safeguards. We can say that. And next is there. Um, we can also insurance the computer in the case of failure. That also can be done there. uh, so that we can apply them. And next is their insurance also can be applied. Power protection device also can be applied. Next we can use hardware with the the firewalls that also can be applied. Next it can be authentication devices that also can be applied. Hardware security module that also can be applied. Smart cards, hardware tokens, these also can be applied. So next is the difference between e-commerce and the traditional commerce. E-commerce stands for electronic commerce, and it happens on internet with the help of computer. Next is the traditional. It is in physical form, means you have to go to shop, you have to buy, you have to bargain. So that is traditional commerce. And e-commerce, what happens? You don't need to go physical to particular shop or the outlet. Uh, in traditional e-commerce, in traditional you have to go to that outlet. You have to look for the products, what is the quality, etc. Uh, so e-commerce. Uh, when you talk about the e-commerce, so when we buy and sell, the quality cannot be said that of high. But traditional, since we go ourselves, but we can say the quality is A1. Yes. Next is a define artificial intelligence, right? Any two uses of AI. AI. So yesterday we also discussed about the AI. So it is their branch of computer science or the computing environment where the machine behaves in same way as the human being is there. So that is called artificial intelligence. So there are many applications or uses of AI. The first we can say that AI can be used to translate the contents itself by the computer in different language. Next, we can give the command using our voice to computer. Yes. Next is define DBMS. Obviously, DBMS means so it's a software using that set of programs and that is used to maintain the databases, tables, records, relationships, sharings, security, backups, etc. So, what are the examples of DBMS? Any two examples of DBMS are first is Oracle, second is MS Access. MS Access contains an object that is report. So report it is an object and that object it helps us to preview the report we are going to print. We can also summarize the data, limited data. So that is the importance of report. Next is define primary key. Yes, define primary key. Features primary key in database when so we insert data, then there is possibility to have the duplicate data or the redundant data. And to prevent that, we have to use a field and that holds a unique you can say that data and that cannot be same. Features obviously. Um, Redundancy can be minimized. We can uh, link to more tables easily using primary key. Next is uh, list the field name and records. Field name is here. This is the field name. This is the field name. This is the field name. Yes. And when you talk about the record, so this is the record from here to here, and this is the record from here to here. That's all. Now next is a uh, output of given program so in try run table. So let's copy it and let's go for it. 2079 GB. Okay, so let's go for the question here. So this is the question. Now let's make table here. First is here C dollar. Yes, C dollar is here. So let's use C dollar. Next is here C dollar. We are using sub procedure. It is being copied to C dollar here. Yes, that is complete. Now next is here C equals to 1 to length. Yes, so C equals to 1 to length, and that is C dollar. And next is here plus step 2. Step 2 means increase the value by 2. Okay, so this is the C. Next variable C here. Yes, next is the M dollar. So M dollar here. Next is the N dollar. N dollar equals to N dollar plus N dollar plus M dollar. So let's put M dollar here. Next is, so nothing more there. Anything else there? No. So first C dollar here, C equals to 1 to length, step 2 here, fine. Next is M dollar, fine. Next is N dollar, fine there. And last is print N dollar, yes. So print N dollar. Okay, let's go for C dollar. C dollar is computer. So first value of C is 1. M dollar is C dollar, that is computer. C means 1, take only one character, and that is C. So we have to take C here. C. So N dollar is here. N dollar default value 0. Yes. So what is N dollar? N dollar equals to C. Okay. Next is here. After that, what is value C? It becomes 1. After 1, it becomes 3. So 3 here. M dollar, it becomes C. 1, 2, 3. M. So it becomes M here. So 1, then 2, then 3. So we third, I get the one character. So that is the meaning of C here. 1. So M. Now N dollar equals to, first it was C. Yes. First it was C. Then M dollar, it is M. Yes. So it gives us C and M. C and M. Next C becomes 5. So what is the value of 5 here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That is U. So we get U here. Now here N dollar equals to, so it was CM plus U. So gives us CMU. Yes. And at last C becomes 7. 1357. Yes. So 7 means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. E. So here is E. Here and dollar equals to CMU plus E. So gives us CMUE. Yes. After that, c equals 3 becomes 9. The condition becomes false. So that's a at us it prints the value. It prints the value CMUE. That's all. So output is CMUE. Now let's run this program and let's see we are right or wrong here. Let's paste it. Okay. Let's run the program. Five number question. Let's run it. So look here, we are getting CMUE. Okay. Now let's go ahead. So this was a simple program. Now let's go for next. So debugging the program, rewriting the program. Let's write this one. So question 5 after the question 6. Yes. So where are the bugs? So first bug is here to display. So first is this one. So this one is the bug. So this is the first bug. We have to use the input. Yes. So this is the first bug. Second bug is here. So here is it cannot be with this hash symbol. So just we have to put only one here. Next is here, since it is writing the data, No, it should be reading the data. So what we have to put here? Input, yes. Next is here and postal salaries. Okay, let's remove this. Okay, everything is fine here. While so here is next. So here it would be went. Yes. So that is third mistake. Uh, so extension it cannot be tx. So this is the first mistake. Yes. This is the next mistake. So txt. Next is here. Okay. So salary if it is declared as a dollar. So we have to remove the dollar here. Let's remove the dollar from here. So this is the next mistake. Salary also can be taken that in the form of a string, so that would be the problem there. However, yeah, we are taking that number, so this also can be considered a mistake or the bug. So it would be better if we only say that okay, here is dollar, but here the dollar is not used, so we can say mistake here. So how many mistakes we found there? First, second, third, fourth, and fifth. Yes, so that's all. 2079 GP question 6 debugging. Let's go for next program here. Mhm. So program here missing. So what is the program? Let's see. So here we are asked to uh, so numeric variables. Numeric variables are A, B, and P. Let's write the code here. Declare function prod A, B, CLS input enter. Okay, so this is the program and we have to give answer these questions. What are the numeric variables here? So numeric variables are A, B, and the P. So that much. Local variable, so what is inside the function procedure? That is p. Yes, so that is a local variable. So that's all. This conversion we can do easily. Yes, it's very simple. Just show the calculations, necessary calculation we have to show here. Next is we are asked to write the program. Write a program in QBasic. Ask length, breadth of room, and calculate area and perimeter. Use define function to calculate area and subprogram to calculate perimeter. Okay, let's go for it. Question number 9a. Declare sub procedure to perimeter, subprogram to calculate perimeter. So let's go for perimeter. Area B, length and breadth sub meter. So this is how we have to write. We have to use sub procedure. We have to use the sub procedure to find the perimeter. Yes, here is perimeter and here is perimeter. That's all. And the function procedure to find the area of the formula is there. So here is the function. We are finding area and we are storing this function name, that is returning value. So that's all. And we are printing from here. Let's run it. Let's save it first. 2079 GB question 9. Is it A? 9A. Let's run it. Let's keep value 12. 13. So look here, so this is the output. So that's all. Now let's go for next program here. Students name, class and sections are stored in a data file called student.dat to print all the records of students. Yes, so let's go for it. Student.dat. So what are the variables? Let's see. Name, class, section, student.dat. Name, class, section, address. Name, class, section, and address. Name, class, section, and address. So this is how it works there. Yes, it's very simple program, and in this way it works. So nothing more we have to do there. Let's save it. 9b. Let's go for next program. Next is related to C. Write a C program to find average numbers. Any two numbers. It carries 4 marks. Or we have there 10 term. So let's go for it. C. Now let's close it. Let's copy it here. How many numbers we are asked there? Average number of any two numbers. So that's it, nothing more we have to do there. Yes, let's save it. Let's keep two numbers. So there will say average of two numbers 6.0. It's a very simple program. Now let's go for next question here. We are asked to print the series and only that much. Let's declare a variable here I equals to true while up to 10 term. So let's use the counter here c equals to 1 while c less than equals to 10. Then we have to print I. Yes, increase the value of I by 2. Yes, and we have to count total terms, so C++ is also needed. That's all. Return. Let's save it. That's all. Let's run it. So look here, 2 4 6 8 10 12 14 16 18 20. So that much we are asked there. Distribute the series up to 10 term. So nothing more there. So this is how we can write a program, and this is how we can get 50 by 50. So consult this. Yes, if you have questions, join me there. No questions, fine there. Every day 4 to 5 around. Thank you. So take care. Any questions, use the chat box, YouTube, Facebook, etc.